Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to service my winches, going to take them apart, lube them up, and put them back together to make sure they're in good shape for our trip down south. Taking care of your equipment on a boat is critical because it's your life when you're out there. And case in point, last summer we were trying to anchor in Newport Harbor. A storm was coming in and my windless, which is the thing that holds the anchor, crapped out on me. It died. And it was because I didn't service it. I never touched it. I never thought about it. And what happened was it froze up and the motor actually fell out of it. So that's why I'm taking care of these things. It's important to have the right tools available, or else you get halfway through the job and you realize, oh my God, I need this, and you have to get off the boat, jump in the dinghy, and go back to shore. So with this particular job, I don't need much. I needed an Allen wrench, a regular screwdriver, a little brush to do some oil for the pawls on the winches, some grease to grease it up, and also some parts cleaner to get it all cleaned up before I go through that step. And that's all for this job. Pretty easy. All right, so I'm going to disassemble this winch. Here we go. The thing is, I have my screwdriver, and there's a little screw down here. It comes out. Then I get my Allen wrench. Right off here, scratch your deck. Wow, those are really bad. How gross those are. How dusty. Because I haven't done them since I've owned the boat. And there's a dead dunk there too. I have multiple buckets to put my parts in. This is my cleaning station as well, because I put my cleaner and degreaser in here. And when I get to that point, I'll clean and degrease here, and I'll oil and lube up over on the side. Plus, I don't have enough room for a big bucket, so I have three actually. All right, so the next spot is to take this bearing off. I should just slide right off. There, there's that ring, I remember. Look at that, look how gross that is. It's bad. It's really bad. These will be happy winches when I'm done with them. So I just hit this with some PB Blaster. It's really encrusted in here. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little while and then very slowly kind of shimmy it off. I just moved it a little bit, so that's a good sign. See, this is stuck, and as I alluded to in the beginning, and I talked about the other windless, it's pretty well jammed. Well, it's not jammed, it's stuck. It shouldn't be like this, and it should come off pretty easily. And it's all gunked up, and this could cause problems offshore or any place. So I'm glad I'm doing it now before we go on our trip. Pretty gross. We'll clean it up good. Take that out. Just remove all the gears. These have ball bearings, I know. So make sure I can lose them. Fall out. I'm doing this in the water. So now that I have my parts off, and they're all in my little boxes, I'm going to hit them with a parts cleaner to get all the gunk and grease and salt and everything off them. Clean them up really well. So I'm just trying to hit them gently. And always wear your safety glasses when you're doing anything like this, because there's lots of nasty things in this, but there's also there's acetone in here, and acetone can dissolve your liable. So
it's disgusting.
Yeah. It's a really good solvent. So I should be using gloves as well, probably, because the acetone will be absorbed into your skin. And anything that's dissolved in the acetone will go into your skin with the acetone. So it's important to wear gloves, which I'm going to get now when I find them. I had them. I'm rolling the rod bearings so that I get the solvent on all of them and just kind of rub them as I'm doing it. Again, I'm going to probably have to get a brush on these, but it's coming off pretty good. A lot of crud. That's encrusted salt. Get that off. I hear music, I hear music, I hear music, who could ask for anything more? I hear daisies in green pastures, I hear music, who could ask for anything more? That's it. She's happy. Hey guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. It's extremely important for you to have safe equipment on your sailboat, and one of those components are your winches. So make sure your winches are cleaned minimally seasonally if you pull the boat out every year or a couple times a year, and you'll have safe sailing. And I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe to this video. Bye now.